Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Today we've got an unboxing of the 1967 Mustang GT Fastback AMT kit, 125 scale, and this one is kit number AMT 1241-12, designed with authentic detail. This is a round 2 model, designed in the USA. There you have a 289. Nice. Some Firestone wide oval tires, bucket seats, optional Cobra valve covers, fastback roof vents, very nice. Classic rear end. Always love that design there. And here's the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this one. I purchased this one at Hobby Lobby a little while back and put it aside and totally forgot about it. So I thought, hey, why not do an unboxing of this one for you guys today. Hope everyone's having a great day. Right off the top, we've got a box of chrome, package of chrome in the box. Alright, here we go. We've got some wheels that are similar to the box art. I'm going to have to put some accent panel line black stuff in there to dress them up real pretty. Nice chrome air cleaner, shifter, front and rear bumpers. I think this is the rear one. I think this is the front. This one here shows bumper guards, but the box art doesn't. That's interesting. Little insert for the front grille. Two different versions of valve covers. That's pretty nice. These look like exhaust tips. Yep. That's about it. Nothing to write home about on that tree. And here we have, alright, and here we have, in a bag, we have the front glass, the rear fastback glass, some headlights, and then in red we have the tail light insert. And next we have, ooh, look like some pad printed tires. Those are sharp looking. Firestone wide ovals with some OK tread on them. I'm going to go ahead and just leave those in the bag. Those are pretty nice looking. And here we are. Here's the body. This is one of my favorite designs of the Mustang. Of course, this is a 67, but what got me hooked on Mustang was the old, the green 68 Mustang that Steve McQueen drove in the movie Bullet. That's what started my love with this body style Mustang. This one here has got, I think that's supposed to be there, but there's a little bit of a scratch in there, scuffing, no biggie. It's a little bit thinner, but not, too thin, just not as thick as some. A little bit of flash here and there. That's an awesome design, guys. Just love this body style. Oh, you can make the trunk open if you want to remove that. Alrighty. Pretty neat. Fender wells are already inside, the inner fenders. And it looks like the windshield wipers are molded in too. I don't know if you can see a close-up on that. Alright. Then we have the chassis. Not a whole lot, nice thickness, not a whole lot going on there. Molded in gas tank. Subframe's already on there. Pretty simple design on that. I'm going to stick that back in the bag with the body. Hope everyone's having a great day. A little chilly out today. It's in the 40s right now. It was like 70 the other day. Gotta love it. Alright. In this tree we have the front and rear portions of the vehicle. There's your trunk lid. Here's the center console. Some wheel parts for making the wheels. Got it, yeah, backwards. There you go. This is your firewall, and I think this is a piece that goes in the back, like the package tray, or it's the divider. That's what that is. That's the divider. It sits over the wheel humps for the back seat. And this here's your radiator and a small little radiator core support. Some steering suspension parts, regular shock absorbers, coils, springs, front suspension pieces. A lot going on that tree. And this one here, we have the hood. Right here. Backside has got minimal detail. It's on there, but boy, if you sprayed on a coat of primer, you'd probably lose it all. Here's your bucket seat backs and the fronts. Whoop. Yep, that way. Wait. I think that way. Here's the back seat. Looks kind of tiny, but then again, wasn't a whole lot going on back then. Here's your dashboard with your pedals already attached. A little bit of flash in there. Steering wheel. License plate blocks. Steering column. I think this is the part of the top of the rear seat that would fold down to make it a, so you go right through to the trunk, and a L-shaped bracket. Alright, and another bag of white parts. Go ahead and cut that one open for you. And we have, ta-da, the interior panels for your side window, your door sides. Little crank. That's, you know what, that's not a crank, that is the stop for the back seat. That's what that is. Because there are no windows in the back in that spot. I got ahead of myself there. Here's the exhaust and transmission cross member. And here we have the engine, 289 I think it was. Here's all your parts. Here's transmission, halves, intake manifold, the block itself, which is pretty neat looking. It's a shifter linkage, your heads, exhaust manifolds, oil pan, bell housing for your transmission, water pump and pulley and fuel pump. This here's a master cylinder. Boy, that's a tiny little guy there. Yep. Ignition coil, starter, a couple of coolant hoses, carburetor, distributor cap with the vacuum advance on it, the fan, which has a weird piece of flashing on there, made it look like a 5-bladed fan, but it's not. Fan belt and pulleys. Here's some leaf springs, your rear axle, some traction bars, vents for the back window. If you can see here, those vents there, those are there. And these look like, not sure. These could be armrests, they could be other little plugs somewhere. We'll look in the instructions to see what those are. And this here is your drive shaft and the wheel backs. That's it for parts. Doesn't seem like a whole lot for that kit, but it'll be enough. Here we go. Here's the instructions. Look over the sheet carefully. Again, you're going to have to do your own research on the vehicle because nothing here. Building tips. Here's some paint color options. Exterior colors. Standard colors included Raven Black, Frost Turquoise. Okay, so they give you a little bit here on the paint for the vehicles. And interior colors. Okay. That's something. Then we have engine build. Put your front end together. Those are disc brake parts. I didn't see those in there. They might be in the chrome section. Put the rear end all together, pedals, yada yada. Optional gauge decal provided. Okay, we'll look for that when we get into the decals. Here's those little pieces here. Not really sure what they are though. Unless, oh yeah, here they are, guys. They're the inserts for the vents for the side here. See that? That's what those little 4 pieces are. Alright, that mystery solved. We can all sleep easy tonight. There you go. Cement inside only. That's real important if you want your wheels to turn. That's it. Pretty basic kit there. Alright, let's get into the decals and I'll let you guys get on your way. I want to thank everyone for all the nice comments you've been given. Appreciate that. I read every one of them. Sometimes I don't know what else to add to it other than just say thank you, you know. I do appreciate it though. I want you guys to know that. I'm still having a blast here. I need to figure out how to separate 2 pieces of paper. There we go. There we are. And here's the decals. We got the GT lines that run along the bottom of the vehicle. Some air cleaner decals, your speedometer stuff, gauge package for your dash, little AMT sticker, Fomocos, Fastback, 1967. These blue plates, I think they're California. Let me see. No, those are Michigan. The blue ones there, those are Michigan. And the white ones are Washington. Nope. Tennessee. Hey, shout out to Uncle Mike again. These here are Tennessee plates. Must be Washington County in Tennessee. I don't know that. And Mustang here. And that's it, folks. Well, I want to thank you all for stopping by. I do appreciate you taking a minute to check out my videos. And as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And, you know, share the website or the channel, rather, with your friends and help me make this thing grow. I appreciate it, and have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.